Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Hi, dear students. Welcome to the fifth session of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about letters of request and letters of appreciation. You can find this week's topic in Module 5 and 6. Each module consists of two learning activities. By the end of the weeks, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kinds of letters of request and write a thank you email accurately and appropriately. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 5 and do the assignment too. Good luck!